Welcome. Today we will talk about Acdermin Gel medicine. Acdermin Gel, clindamycin phosphate tretinoin, is a topical gel. It is an antibiotic and retinoid combination medicine used for the skin treatment of acne. It is not for mouth, eye, or vaginal use. Package contains: each pack of Acdermin Gel contains 20 grams gel tube and a leaflet. Composition: each gram contains clindamycin phosphate USP 1.2% with W, tretinoin USP 0.025% with W, as per innovator's specification, indications, dosage, and administration. Use as directed by the physician. For further information, see the pack insert. 4. External use only. Dosage and administration. At bedtime, squeeze a pea-sized amount of medication onto one fingertip, dot onto the chin, cheeks, nose, and forehead, then gently rub over the entire face. It should be kept away from the eyes, the mouth, angles of the nose, and mucous membranes. The gel is not for oral, ophthalmic, or intravaginal use. Indications: Acdermin Gel is indicated for the topical treatment of acne vulgaris in patients 12 years or older. Contraindications: Acdermin Gel is contraindicated in patients with regional entities, ulcerative colitis, or history of antibiotic-associated colitis. Ultraviolet and environmental exposure. Exposure to sunlight, including sun lamps, should be avoided during the use of Acdermin Gel, and patients with sunburn should be advised not to use the product until fully recovered because of heightened susceptibility to sunlight as a result of the use of tretinoin. Patients who may be required to have considerable sun exposure due to occupation and those with inherent sensitivity to the sun should exercise particular caution. Daily use of sunscreen products and protective apparel, for example a hat, are recommended. Weather extremes, such as wind or cold, also may be irritating to patients under treatment with the gel. Do not use Acdermin Gel if you have Crohn's disease, have ulcerative colitis, have developed colitis with past antibiotic use. Cautions: tell your doctor if you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant. It is not known that it may harm your unborn baby. If you are breastfeeding, the gel may pass through your milk and may harm your baby. About all the medicines and skin products you use, Acdermin Gel should not be used with erythromycin-containing products. Avoid medicated or abrasive soaps and cleansers. Soaps and cosmetics that have a strong drying effect, and skin products that contain alcohol, astringents, spices or lime. These products may cause increased skin irritation if used with the gel. Neuromuscular blocking agents. Clindamycin has been shown to have neuromuscular blocking properties that may enhance the action of other neuromuscular, therefore, it should be used with caution in patients receiving such agents. Possible side effects: skin irritation. It may cause skin irritation such as dryness, redness, peeling, burning, or stinging. Stop using it and call your doctor if your skin becomes very red, swollen, blistered, or crusted. Change in skin color. It may cause a temporary skin color change, lighter or darker. Colitis. This occurs rarely. Stop Acdermin Gel and call your doctor if you develop severe watery diarrhea or bloody diarrhea. Instructions: do not store and transport above 30 degrees Celsius and avoid freezing. Protect from light and heat. Keep out of the reach of children. Tighten the cap after use. To be sold on the prescription of a registered medical practitioner only. Manufacturer and buy online. Acdermin Gel is manufactured by Acco Laboratories Limited. It is available online, or you can buy it from any nearby pharmacy. It is available at retail price around 367 rupees. This video is for educational purposes. Take every medicine as your doctor or pharmacist prescribes it.